Hey there, my name is Sheng and welcome to another unboxing video. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Marbero portable charger. So the reason I got this big portable charger was because I'm going on a long road trip and I'll be staying in campsite. Well, that was the plan. And this one can charge my laptop in case I don't have any outlet, so that's a plus. And also this is a solar, but it doesn't come with a solar panel, so you're gonna have to buy that separately. Also, this one comes with a lamp, like a light, a flashlight. That's a good one too. And it's 80 watt, 110 volt, 2 AC outlet, 12 volt, and it has 2 USB, and it's a solar. So let's unbox it. Comes with the charger, and I'm guessing this is for the solar. We have the solar. Let's put this away. Okay. Here's a charge, and this is the light that I was. Oh, this is bright. So there's 1, 2, 3 level, and then there's flashing, and then there's off. Oh, it actually comes with 4 USB. There's a USB-C and then 2 outlet. And I'm guessing this is for the charger. Alright. I guess you can connect a fan also. So let's try this one if it can charge my laptop. So I have here a MacBook 15-inch. Actually, I think 13-inch. So we're gonna try it. Guessing you turn it on. It's not lighting up. Press this charger. Oh, it works. Look, there's a light. That's nice. Okay. Let's see if we can use the light while charging. Okay, that's bright. Okay, so you can use, I guess, everything. Okay, now let's see if we can use the USB cable along with the laptop charging. Oh, it works. Okay. So you can charge multiple items with one, and I like how it comes charged already. Well, I think this is only 75% charge, but it's nice. I like it. It's not too big, it's not too heavy, and it has this place where you can hold. I'll put the link down in the description below, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell button for more updates. And I'll see you next time. Bye!